There's something bothering me. Hindi ko alam eh. Marami nagsasabi na napaka-professional ko daw manamit. Samantalang 99% ng bihis ko, ng aking wardrobe, ay parehas ng kay Julia. I mean, ano bang... Oh, now I get it. Oo nga naman. Sino ba namang house presenter ang magbibihis ng ganito, di ba? Bakit ka nakatsinelas? Oo nga. Dapat nga naman magsapatos ako. Tama kasi si Julia, lagi siyang nakasapatos. Anong babagay kaya among sa collections ng aking mga shoes? It's not that much, ha? Pero these are the rarest shoes na nabili ko sa mga flea shops all across the world. For example, this one. I'm sure lahat tayo may chuck sa bahay, pero hindi yung type ng gantong chuck. Because this chuck has awkward white collar and also a bottom thermal cooler. It's very rare. Kaya lang, ano yung babagay for a house tour? That is my challenge right now. You know what? Ba't di tayo mamili ng sapatos?
Wow, this is a beautiful brick and mortar store. Sorry, old habits. Para sa sapatos nga pala. We're here for the shoes.
What I'm looking for exactly is something related to my brand. Parang brand ko rin. Original yet affordable. Something I could walk around with different types of floors like, marbled, tiled, hardwood floors, or even travertine floors. Let's start here. Check this out. Onitsuka, Mexico, Runs Park. I love these lifestyle shoes. Ito yung mga airport shoes. Tsaka it's perfect for people na hindi lumaki na may sapatos. Yung may mga malalapad na paa. Like myself, kapag suot mo yung mga ganitong klaseng sapatos, hindi mahalata na hindi ka minahal ng parents mo nung bata ka. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just woke up with a large amount of money on my GCash app. Pwede ba sabihin yan? Adidas Adizero Evo SL. What a beauty. These running shoes are perfect for casual running, marathon runs, or pangtakbo para takasan ng responsibilidad. And of course, meron din silang pang women's. Ito naman pang women's, panghabol para sa tatakbo sa responsibilidad. I love it. I'm enjoying this tour so far. Are you guys enjoying the tour so far? I hope you are because I'm having a blast. Cloud Monster Void. I love this colorway. Subtle, intentional, beautifully restrained color palette. Also, look at these holes. Those are not just for aesthetics. These beautifully engineered holes are actually designed for Philippine use. Yes, you've heard me right. For Philippine use. Kasi nga yung mga daan natin dito, konting ulan, baha. So ang tubig sa daan, kapag bumabaha, tumatagos lang siya through those holes. Especially sa sitwasyon ng bansa natin ngayon, di ba? Basang-basa na tayo sa baha at luha. Crossover, I present you Air Jordan 4. Jordan shoes are the most sought-after pairs in the history of mankind. These selections of basketball shoes have great fight sa hardwood floor ng court. The only problem is, here in the Philippines, most of our courts are made of concrete and it bites back. So kung ako sa'yo, pamporma mo na lang. Wow! I love this light-emitting diode ceiling panel that they have here. Adidas Adilette Aqua Slide. Super comfy, perfect for short trips like sa palengke. Comfortable din siya pag pupunta ka ng inuman tapos ang trip mo suntukan. I love it. Oh, is this Climacool? Itong tsinelas. Itong tsinelas na bagay sa lifestyle ko. I mean, no offense sa Adilette Aqua Slide, pero imagine, pupunta ka ng outing, sobrang solid ng forma mo, tapos di ka nag-ambag. Ganda. Is this? Ito ba yun? I found it. Sir? Sir?
Yes?
Magkano to?
Sir, hindi po binibenta yan. Sa staff po yan. Umuulan po kasi sa labas kaya nilagay lang po muna dyan.
Sir, everything has a price. Name your price.
Sige sir, 1.5 na lang.
250.
Deal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So there you have it. Mission accomplished. Meron na tayong new pair of kicks na gagamitin ko for my next Pasalo house tour. May pera pala talaga dito no?